In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields on Wrike project management in just 5 minutes. Custom fields can be a game changer when it comes to tailoring your projects to meet specific needs, whether you're tracking budget, timelines, or even team member responsibilities. So whether you're a seasoned project manager looking for more customization or a beginner trying to get organized, these steps will guide you seamlessly through the process. First things first, you need to log into your Wrike account. Go to the Wrike homepage and click on Login. This is your entryway into a powerful project management world. For ease, you can log in using your Google account. Simply click on the Google option and select the account you wish to use. This eliminates the hassle of remembering another username and password, streamlining your access seamlessly. Once logged in, navigate to your project of choice. If you have multiple projects, make sure to select the one where you intend to make custom field alterations. Now you're ready to dive into the customization aspect of your project management. In the top right corner of the table view, you'll notice a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new fields, so go ahead and click on it. This icon is strategically placed here to ensure that modifications are within reach without disrupting other elements of your project setup. Next, click on Custom Field. This option is what allows you to tailor the data you collect according to your unique project needs. Custom fields can range from text inputs to numerics, or even lists, giving you the flexibility to decide what type of information is most pertinent to your workflow. After clicking on Custom Field, you'll be prompted to choose your field type. Here you have a variety of options to suit whatever data you're planning to incorporate. Think carefully about what best fits your project requirements, whether it's simple text, drop-down lists, or specific numbers like percentages or currency values. Now, it's time to type in the field name. Naming your field clearly and concisely is crucial, as it helps keep your projects organized and ensures that your team knows exactly what information is required for each entry. Consider using names that are intuitive and specific to the data you wish to track. Finally, the last step is to click on Create. This action brings your customization to life, making the new field available for use in the selected project. This seamlessly integrates your specified data, capturing needs into your project structure, improving clarity and efficiency for everyone involved. And there you have it, adding custom fields in Wrike is that simple. With these steps, you can enhance your project management capabilities by tailoring your workspace to better fit your team's specific needs. This small tweak can lead to a big impact on your productivity and project insights. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.